Today on the Wellness Project, we're going to look at the most notorious STDs in the world. Thank you so much for always keeping it here. Thanks to our viewers, all people who have been giving us feedback, the comments, sharing the videos, we appreciate. I'm Dr. Mtunga, and please stay tuned for more. So STDs are a group of infections that are spread through sexual contact. Yes, they are infections that can be spread through having sex. So before we go any further, this is the right time for you to subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button. When you do that, you help us create more content for you. You'll be notified the first time we create another video. And we appreciate the feedback because it helps us to create more content that is more appealing to you and that you love to see. So put the comments down there and let us know what you think. So syphilis is one of those STDs that are very notorious. Yes, it is spread by a bacterium, actually caused by a bacterium called Treponema pallidum, which causes this very, very notorious illness. So syphilis can evolve through stages like primary stage, secondary stage, and tertiary stage. At all of these stages, as we are going to see in the subsequent videos that we are going to create about each individual disease, it causes significant distress and the symptoms keep changing until you treat. So if not treated, this can lead to complications within the heart, the brain, and parts of your nervous system, causing things like numbness or even tingling sensations. So how does it spread? Syphilis spreads through direct sexual contact with an infected individual. Yes, if you have sex with someone who has syphilis, you can easily pick it. Number 2 on our list today is herpes, which is a group of the herpes simplex viruses. We have herpes simplex 1 and 2. 1 commonly affects the mouth, so causing sores around the mouth. And then herpes simplex 2 is responsible for genital sores. Symptoms for herpes, you're going to see painful blisters around the mouth, around the anus, and other parts of your genital area. So if you see this, chances are high that you're having herpes. So this presents as a small, painful, fluid-filled sore or a blister in the genital area, like I've said, or around the anus or around the mouth. And this can be accompanied by some redness, and sometimes there is swelling. Herpes really doesn't have a cure, but there are medications which can relieve symptoms and even help to reduce the risk of transmitting the virus to someone else. Number 3 on our list is HIV, which stands for human immunodeficiency virus, a relatively common thing right now in the world. I'm very sure almost everyone has heard about HIV somehow. HIV is transmitted through unprotected sexual intercourse, sharing needles, or from birth from the mother to her unborn baby, or during breastfeeding. So this tells you how notorious HIV really is. It has so many ways it can affect the individual. So symptoms may not appear for years, and this also makes early detection very, very important because you may be seated and then you have the virus in you. So antiretroviral therapy can help keep the virus at bay and slow progression. But if not treated, AIDS is what can result, and this is the final stage of the infection when the immune system has been severely damaged. Yes, the immune system can try to fight it off, but it reaches a time and fails. Safe sexual practices like consistent use of condoms, regular testing of your partners, and vaccination for certain STDs like herpes and HPV are essential components for prevention of HIV. And then number 4 on our list today is hepatitis B. Yes, a very, very notorious virus that affects the liver, caused by hepatitis B virus, and this can lead to acute and chronic liver disease. Hepatitis is very life-threatening and it causes many deaths around the world. How is it spread? Through contact with blood, semen, vaginal fluids, and other bodily fluids of an infected person. And this exchange can occur during sexual intercourse, or for people who use drugs if you're sharing needles and contact with any other bodily fluids. There is a vaccine for hepatitis B which is very potent, and it is given in about 3 shots. Recommended for infants who are exposed, children, and even adults who are at high risk. Safe practices like using condoms the right way can help to reduce transmission risk, but also being vaccinated and testing is very, very important. So make sure you're keeping safe out there. So while we've made a number of advances in medicine to make sure we can manage these symptoms, some of them are not treatable. So make sure you're keeping safe and engaging in safe sex. So if you have not subscribed up to this point, we encourage you to hit the subscribe button such that you don't miss any video. Every time we create a video, you're the first to see. But also, when YouTube realizes that you enjoy the video, then they will be able to tell you about it the next time. Take care of yourselves and bye.